What's up, people? So let's analyze Dogecoin today. Well, pretty much the same movement. We rallied since April, hit the all-time high like 10 days ago, and now we are what is this? Well, it doesn't matter at this moment. Let's change it again. Okay, here it is. 20 star. So we are trading above the 20-day EMA. And the last 2 days we kind of broke a little bit below the 20-day EMA, but we still haven't touched the 50-day EMA. Here would be a support line that we kind of retested. Now let's add another indicator. The RSI pulled back, and basically I think at this point we are trying to gain, or we try to gain some momentum, so we could go higher from here. And even though most people say Dogecoin will fall, and I don't know, Dogecoin at the moment is not very a thing that you can use like in the real world, since many people don't think that it will be something like Bitcoin or anywhere close to it. But on the other side, a lot of people are hyping Dogecoin. So, and the funny thing is, here we had a bullish movement, and the RSI was pretty high here and here as well, and it actually was expected that Dogecoin would pull back, and suddenly I think 8 May was the Saturday, but it was somewhere around here. Yeah, I think the 8th was the Saturday, and this was when Elon Musk was on a talk show and said like basically Dogecoin is not really a cryptocurrency that will have a future, and suddenly the price dropped. But the funny thing is, it actually dropped because of the technical analysis, and I think Elon Musk and most people who are playing with Dogecoin knew this, so they kind of were making it up on purpose to say something that would drop the coin lower. Because now, as you see, we pulled back to, well, we can say to this support line, a little bit below the 20-day EMA, and suddenly what was it? I think yesterday or 2 days, 3 days back, we had good news regarding Dogecoin that Coinbase will actually add it to its list, and Also, Elon Musk posted something about financing his new, I don't know if it was a space shuttle, a rocket, or his new company, but he wanted to finance it with Dogecoin, and suddenly we went higher, which actually was also based on technical analysis. Now, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we came here to the previous support and resistance area. We had here one touch, here we broke out a little bit, here we broke out, we pulled back, here we retested it again, we broke out, now we pulled back, and now we went higher from here. Now on the 4-hour chart, we are trading above the 20 and 50 EMA, and now it looks like the 20 EMA is going for a move higher from here, which indicates that we will go higher because we are forming kind of a base at the previous resistance support area, which was exactly here. We had here the breakout, we had a pullback, the first one, second one, we broke, we went higher, we retested this area again, we broke down again, now we broke above it, and now we're trying to find support again. Now the RSI pulled back until the 50 levels, which means chances are very likely that we will go higher from here. I mean, we can break down below and still pull lower from here, but it wouldn't make much of a difference as long as we stay in this area, which is where we are forming this kind of triangle. So we might move like this as well, because even if we stay here, we would still trade above the 50-day EMA. This would be this area here. But currently, if you check the 3-hour chart, we are again trading above 50 and 20 EMA. Well, currently, this candlestick looks bearish, but as you can see, it is weekend, so we are not moving that much. Compared to the other days. I mean, okay, the days, the last couple of weeks, months, since April, we had like really a kind of a volatile market. But all in all, the weekends, I guess, not as volatile. So the movements might be, if you make a new support line on the 2-hour chart, it would look something like this. Here we had we retested the resistance, or we tried to break above the resistance area, we pulled back, but then we broke out. Here we retested it again, came higher, we came higher. Here we fell below it, we broke above it, and now we are even above the second resistance line. So we might pull back until here tomorrow or the next couple of hours, and then stay here. Maybe we try to rally, maybe not. But if you check the hourly chart, we are again trading between the 50 and 20 EMA since, well, more or less since 3 a.m. So it's been about 14 hours that we've been trading between the 20 and 50 EMA on the hourly chart. So we might have a smaller pullback to the smaller support area or support line at this level here. We retested it already once, twice. Here was the breakout, so it could also be that we will move just until here. If this was the case, then we might form a double bottom and then go higher. On the 45 minutes, the RSI is currently going down, and I guess we are trying to retest this area here again. So if we break, here is the next support area, but we might also rally from here. So I guess the next 24-48 hours until Monday, until the markets open, I guess we won't see much movement, but stay here in this area likely. Here, if we look at the 40 minutes chart, we might see a turnaround and go higher from here, but we could also still fall lower, which would be retesting the previous support line here. Let's just change this so until here, and maybe then move higher, or the next support area was around here. Oops. The next support area was around here, so it's either gonna be this move or this move here. For the next couple of hours, 5 minutes charts, nothing is changing. Well, 5 minutes is not that important. The weekly chart, well, the RSI is pretty high on the weekly, which means I would assume that we might pull back at this point just to bring the RSI closer to the purple box, which may indicate that we also, or for now, this looks like a bullish candlestick, so we might go higher from here. The RSI is pretty high, although on the weekly, so we might pull back again just to bring the weekly RSI into the purple box, which would be until here. So for the next couple of days and weeks, I assume we will be trading above this support line at this area, and I still think that we will try to rally. I mean, I personally don't care that much about Dogecoin since I'm not really trading it, but I'm just curious to see what will happen with the market and if it really can rally to, well, the next target for most people is $1, but maybe it can go much higher. Maybe people will really start investing in it since Mark Cuban said that he already accepts Dogecoin as a payment method. So there's a couple of billionaires and other people who are talking about it. And maybe they really want to get rid of, well, maybe not get rid of Bitcoin, but just for fun, make another cryptocurrency that can compete with Bitcoin next to Ethereum and all the other cryptocurrencies. Since, I don't know, I guess when you're rich, you're bored and you just want to have fun and do whatever. So, to me, I think we can go much higher from here. At least, this is what my analysis for now is saying. So if you're trading Dogecoin, trade it with caution and make sure to not invest too much, because I mean we rallied from zero, about 5 cents, 4 cents, 4 pennies, whatever, to 70 cents, which means because I heard some people bought it here, which I don't understand at all, but even if you're buying it here somewhere, know that the risk is pretty high, just in case if we fall below the first support line and the second one. But so anyways, make sure you subscribe, like my videos, comment, or if you have any questions you can always comment. If you have anything else or a stock market that you want me to analyze, just drop a comment and I will see what I can do.